In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit brand color in Wix full 2026 guide for beginners. First, open Wix in your browser and sign in so you land on your main dashboard. This is your control center for all your sites, and it's where you'll make the initial selection before heading into the editor. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of your sites. Click the site you want to update so Wix knows exactly which project you're about to edit. If you manage multiple sites, double check you've chosen the correct one to avoid updating the wrong brand. Next, click Design Site. This takes you into the site editor where you can change the look and feel of your entire website. Give it a moment to load. The editor will open your site canvas along with tools for colors, fonts, and global styles. Inside the editor, take a quick look around so you're oriented. You should see your pages, your toolbar, and design settings. We're going to work with your brand settings so that the color change updates consistently across buttons, headings, and other elements. Now click Brands. This is where Wix manages your brand assets, including your core colors. Editing your brand color here ensures your changes apply globally, helping you stay consistent without manually updating each element. Select a color to edit. When the color picker opens, you can drag the slider, choose from suggested swatches, or enter a specific hex value if you already have a brand code. If you're replacing a primary color, remember this often controls key elements like buttons and links. Try different colors to see what works best. As you explore, pay attention to how the new shade looks against backgrounds and text. Aim for strong contrast for readability, especially for body text and call to action buttons. If you have a logo, visually compare your choice so the palette feels cohesive. When you find the option you like, confirm that selection. Pause for a moment and scan your preview. Look at a few components, headings, buttons, and backgrounds to make sure the color feels right in context and maintains accessibility and brand clarity. Finally, click Save. This locks in your brand color and applies the change across your site's design system. If you change your mind later, you can return to brands and adjust again. Saving regularly is a good habit, especially when testing multiple shades. And that's it. You opened Wix, chose your site, went into Design Site, navigated to brands, explored color options, picked the one that fits your style, and saved your changes. Follow these steps anytime you want a quick, consistent refresh of your site's look.